Training for robots is so time-consuming and expensive, my machine shop can't afford that. We see CNC machine tending robot solutions that require a lot of training. That takes time and attention. And when there's turnover in your staff, now new people have to be trained. That takes more time, is more expensive, and it adds headaches. But it doesn't have to be that way. When we started building CNC machine tending robots more than 15 years ago, we knew that we needed to make programming simple. We focused on developing a Windows-based, icon-driven, drag-and-drop program that was so easy to use, your grandfather could do it. Programming a job takes as long as 5 minutes. 5 minutes! And you don't need to speak programmer. You can store jobs so when it's time to run that part again, you bring up the program and you're ready to run in no time. During the installation, we set aside an entire day for training your staff. Almost no one ever needs the entire day. Why? Training doesn't have to be complicated or expensive if you have the right robot. To explore more, visit our website, call us at 866-952-9020, and press 1 to start the conversation. Robojob USA, first in CNC automation.